Hello, my name is Joshua, and today we're going to talk about the Entrust Connect tab. So when you first log in, you'll see this Entrust Connect tab right here towards the top of the page. So you want to click on it. Now, before we get into the information here, the way you go about adding a company to this tab is by referring 6 clients to us. And once you refer that, then we can go ahead and add any company of your choice to this tab. Also, keep in mind that we do not vet any of these companies. So please do your research or due diligence and vet these companies before making an investment. So here we have a search tool. We can search the companies by name, industry, minimum investment amount, maximum, and by the state as well. And if you scroll down, you will see the list of companies. Now, these companies you see here, these are actually just placeholders. So these are not real companies, but the style and the format is exactly the same. So you will see the offering amount. You also see the minimum investment amount, the industry that it's in, and the state. And if you are interested in making an investment into any of these companies, what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and click on view. And then here, there's some more information about it. There's a website, company name, again, industry, phone number. So you can definitely call them, contact them, and just get a little more information. Here would be a brief description of the company. Again, this is just for training purposes. This is not real. But when you are interested, you will go ahead and click on I'm interested. Then it will ask you if you want to invest or if you want to learn more. So if you just go ahead and click on learn more, you can specify different questions. Then you would go ahead and click submit. And then it says, thank you for your interest in the company. A representative from the company will be contacting you soon. Continue, and they will contact. The contact time frame, it depends from company to company, but it can be anywhere from 1 day to a week or even 2 weeks. It depends on the season, things like that. But alternatively, if you go ahead and click on I'm interested, and if you are ready to invest, you can just go ahead and click invest. And then you would put the potential amount, and then you can do here now within 3 6 months. So let's just do now, submit, and then your representative will contact you as well with funding instructions, etc. And that's a brief overview of the Entrust Connect tab. Thank you.